Joe Biden is telling diplomats that he was once shot at while overseas. This is the second time he has made the claim that he has been shot at while he has been overseas. This is the tweet. This is the video segment where Biden makes this claim while addressing the State Department staff. Yesterday, Biden hailed the diplomats for showing, and I quote, great personal courage, which he has purportedly seen firsthand. I've been with some of you when we've been shot at, he told the audience, but later admitted that the claim was somewhat exaggerated. Let's listen to this claim.
Talk about is you not only have great intellectual capacity, you have great personal courage. I've been with some of you when we've been shot at. I've been with some of you when we've been in places that you would not have any idea you'd want to be.
So this article is from Not the Bee. Biden said the same thing in 2007, claiming he'd been shot at in the U.S.-controlled Green Zone in Baghdad. Let's also not forget that Hillary Clinton made the same claim, that she was in the line of sniper fire while she was in Bosnia. That's the video, guys.